Kia ora, I'm Juliette and I'm the Business Services Manager for CVNZ, based here on the coast. I started with CVNZ in 2019, so I was the project manager here to run the projects that we were doing on the west coast. Back in 2007 we partnered with the Department of Conservation and Rio Tinto to restore 70 hectares of farmland right across the road from where we are. This project's a really special one for us because it was our first ever large-scale restoration project in Aotearoa. From 2008 to 2020, over 208,000 native plants were planted on the Punakaiki coastal restoration project, creating a vital forest corridor from the mountains to the sea. This will benefit native wildlife, including the western petrel or tāiko, which only breeds in this part of Aotearoa. In 2020, our focus shifted to Punakaiki, Bullock Creek, a 153 hectare site. Backed by Jobs for Nature funding, CVNZ planted over 300,000 eco-sourced native plants between 2020 and 2024, restoring forest and wetland ecosystems of national significance. In total, in our time in Punakaiki, we planted over 500,000 trees. CVNZ's purpose is to empower the people of Aotearoa to take action for nature in their local community. Our vision is an Aotearoa where people and nature flourish together. We've had a long association with Barrytown School. It was actually a couple of kids back in the 40s that discovered the Westland petrel. Some of the kids probably have spent their entire school life up here during planting. The environment is better for it. The community is better for it. We came here, we did what we needed to do, and our work here is done. Kia ora.